Hello, kids. This is teacher Yumi, and today let us have beginning reading lesson 2, CVC words. Let's start. An, mm, a, n, man, 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 a, a, n, an, can, can. A, a, n, an, fan, fan, fan. R, a, an, ran, ran, ran. A, a, pa, pan, 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 pan. V, a, va, van, 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 van. Fan, can, man, pan, ran, van. Fan, can, man, pan, ran, van. Okay, your turn to read now. Great job. Amazingly done. Once again, this is teacher Yumi. I hope that you learned from today's reading lesson. Please don't forget to heart and share. And please visit also my YouTube channel, Teacher Yumi. Thank you and God bless everyone.